Say hello to Dr. Foley. Dr. Foley works with her colleagues in a busy urology practice. She loves her patients and the fact that no 2 days are ever the same. Seeing patients at the clinic, stopping by the hospital, or performing surgeries at the ambulatory center. It's all in a day's work. Lately, there have been a lot more patients to see, but not enough time to manage all that's needed. In fact, it's become increasingly more difficult just to leave the clinic to go home at the end of each day. Dr. Foley began to think, there must be a better way to keep practice operations flowing smoothly. Maybe it's time to look into some technology improvements to streamline our practice. I shouldn't be spending 3 hours a day or more simply documenting patient encounters in the computer. No matter if notes are typed or dictated, it just takes too much time to get information into the EHR. Navigating from one screen to another or performing simple tasks like entering typical urology care plans or accessing lab or imaging results is way more complicated than it needs to be. And let's talk about billing. Dr. Foley's back office staff has been increasingly frustrated trying to keep up with sending patient statements, staying on top of past due accounts, and managing insurance claims. In fact, there have been a lot more denied claims lately, which means revenue hasn't been flowing in as fast as we want. Her staff is spending a lot of time trying to manage those denied claims. Dr. Foley remembers hearing something about Veradigm. Hadn't she just read that Veradigm was rated highly by Black Book for practices like hers? Didn't they also have an award-winning solution to optimize revenue cycle services? What if the administrative burdens surrounding the management of her practice could be streamlined using technology? What if there were technology solutions that were already helping to improve clinical and financial operations for practices just like Dr. Foley's? Dr. Foley has come to the right place to find just the right solutions for her growing urology practice. Veradigm's comprehensive solutions include EHR, billing and patient engagement in one easy-to-use platform. Would you like to join Dr. Foley as she learns more about Veradigm's ambulatory suite of solutions made just for urologists? Click the link to follow along.